This is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I just captured here. This is the eastbound CP train leaving. I've moved to a different position underneath the ramps. Oh, look at that. Put that one pretty close to the engines. Usually they're further back. Very odd. So we have the snow is pretty much accumulated a little bit here throughout the time that I've been here. I've been here actually a few hours. I've seen like probably 8 or 9 trains. Probably the most trains I've ever seen in this spot in one time. This is an eastbound, westbound. And it's all general freight, it looks like. Maybe some stacks at the end, but mostly general. Some snow is accumulating on those tank cars. As you can see, it is snowing. And this will probably be the last time this year that I can come back here because the snow and the mud. So I won't be able to shoot from this location, which is why I'm here now. Take advantage of it. And that's the end of the train. Not a particularly long one though. So if you liked what you just saw, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good night.